1983 CR250. I have this one that's going up for sale. My other one's right there that I actually race. And then one over there that we just put the motor in from Ryan at Factory Edge, so fully rebuilt motor. We're just not done with that bike yet. But this bike is done and ready to go. ZR1 did the suspension. We did NOS boots, radiators, motor has been gone through, new PFR pipe, silencer. And sorry, I'm filming with my cell phone, so it won't be the best, but better than nada for you guys. We'll post this up on eBay so everybody can see the bike. I do not know what it will go for. Could be a couple serious buyers that want it. You'd be hard pressed to find a cleaner bike. Look how great that tank even came out. Good luck bidders for bidding on it. Be dropping this tomorrow on Sunday. And we will go from there. Good luck, guys. Thank you.